Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math-e-mania. I am Gupta and today we are going to study a new topic, that is ascending and descending order. You all know what is ascending order. Whenever we write a number from smaller to bigger, they are known as your ascending numbers, and when we place the order from higher to smaller, they are known as your descending order. Today we will study the ascending and descending order of fractions. There are some simple steps which will be followed to solve both ascending and descending order. First step is take LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Whatever fraction is given to you, you will take the denominators and find the LCM. Next, convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Unlike fractions are the fractions with different denominators, and like fractions are the fractions with same denominators. So what you will do, you will convert the unlike fractions into like fractions, which means you will make the denominator same. Next, final answer, that is arrange the fractions in ascending or descending order. As how to arrange in ascending or descending order, you know the formula. In like fractions, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. जितना बड़ा न्यूमरेटर होता है उतना ही बड़ा फ्रैक्शन होता है, बट दिस अप्लाइज ओनली इन द केस ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. सिर्फ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में हम न्यूमरेटर को कंसिडर करते हैं, एंड वी से दैट ग्रेटर द न्यूमरेटर greater is the fraction. I am repeating the steps again. First of all, you will find the LCM, then you will convert unlike fractions to like fractions, and then you can arrange in ascending or descending order. These steps will be followed in the case of unlike fractions. But what about like fractions? So let us just see our first example where you have to arrange in ascending order. We have four fractions: 9 upon 12, 5 upon 12, 11 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. You can see all the fractions are like fractions. The denominator of all the fraction is same. Now what is the ascending order? You know that greater the numerator, greater is the fraction, which means smaller the numerator, smaller is the fraction. So here the smallest numerator is 3 upon 12. Next is 5 upon 12. After that 9 upon 12, and the greatest fraction here is 11 upon 12. So this is your ascending order. I am again repeating, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. Next, 1 upon 2, 11 upon 6, 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 3. You can see the denominators are different, which means they are unlike fractions. So here we will follow the steps which I have told you. First step was take the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 2, 6, 5 and 3. So I will take the LCM of 2, 6, 5 and 3. You all know how to take out the LCM. So here for the denominators 2, 6, 5 and 3, my LCM comes out to be 2 into 3 into 5, which gives me 30. So this is the completion of first step. हमने LCM निकाल दिया. Next step was convert unlike fractions to like fractions. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Actually what is this 30? ये 30 क्या है? This is a least common number जो हर एक डिनोमिनेटर के टेबल में आ रहा है. जितने भी डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं सबके टेबल में 30 पक्का आएगा. तो अब हम इसको कन्वर्ट कैसे करेंगे? वी विल पिक अप each and every fraction and convert the denominator into LCM. जैसे हमारा first fraction है 1/2. Now just think, denominator that is 2, उसको हमने क्या बनाना है? 30 बनाना है. How can I convert 2 into 30? Very easy, by multiplying it by 15. And as I have told you already, whenever you have to multiply any number with denominator, you have to multiply it by numerator also. उसको numerator से भी करेंगे और denominator से भी करेंगे. So 1 into 15 gives me 15 and 2 into 15 gives me 30. So my answer comes out to be 15 upon 30. Now you will pick up the next fraction, that is 11/6. अब हमने 6 को भी 30 में कन्वर्ट करना है. कैसे करें? 6 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करें? We will multiply it by 5. Very nice. 11 into 5 gives you 55 and 6 into 5 gives you 30. Next fraction is 2/5. Again I will convert the denominator into 30. कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ? 6 से. 2 into 6 and 5 into 6 and the fraction comes out to be 12/30. Last fraction is 7/3. अब 3 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए कि हमारा 30 आ जाए? So I multiply it by 10. 7 into 10 gives me 70 and 3 into 10 gives me 30. So now my fractions are converted into like fractions. क्या क्या fractions हमारी convert हो गई? 15/30, 55/30, 12/30 and 70/30. अब देखो क्या फॉर्मूला था? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो सबसे छोटा नंबर और सबसे छोटा न्यूमरेटर क्या है? 12. वेरी नाइस. 12/30. उसके बाद 15/30. नेक्स्ट इज 55/30 and the last is 70/30. राइट, बट दिस इज़ नॉट योर एग्जैक्ट आंसर जस्ट बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में तो कुछ और फ्रैक्शंस थी. तो अब हम निकालेंगे कि हमारा एक्चुअल आंसर क्या होगा. सो योर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज़ 12/30. जस्ट फाइंड आउट 12/30 ये रहा. और 12/30 किसको सॉल्व करके आया? 2/5 को. सो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन कम्स आउट टू बी 2/5. नेक्स्ट क्या है? 15/30. चेक वेयर इज़ 15/30? हेयर इट इज़. 15/30 किसको सॉल्व करके आया? 1/2. सो हेयर आई गेट 1/2. नेक्स्ट क्या है? 55/30. वेयर इज़ 55/30? हेयर इट इज़. ये किसको सॉल्व करके आया? 11/6. सो हेयर आई गेट 11/6. लास्ट इज 70/30 एंड ये किसको सॉल्व करके आया? 7/3. सो माई आंसर हेयर इज 7/3 विच इज़ माई कंप्लीट आंसर ओवर हेयर. Let us see one more example. Again, they are the unlike fractions because the denominators are different. 2/5, 3/2, 1/4, 7/10. First step is take the LCM of the denominators. So I take the LCM of the denominators, that are 5, 2, 4 and 10. When I take out the LCM, so LCM of 5, 2, 4 and 10 comes out to be 2 into 2 into 5, which comes out to be 20. Next step was conversion into like fractions. अब first fraction क्या है? 2/5. 5 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि डिनोमिनेटर 20 हो जाए? I will multiply it by 4. 2 into 4 gives me 8 and 5 into 4 gives me 20. Next fraction is 3/2. Very easy. How to convert 2 into 20? By multiplying it by 10. So I multiplied 2 by 10 and 3 also by 10. So I got 30/20. Next is 1 by 4. Very easy. 4 into 5 gives me 20 and 1 into 5 will also give me 5. So I get 5/20. Last fraction is 7/10. 10 into 2 will give me 20. So I will multiply 7 also by 2. So my fraction comes out to be 14/20. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. सबसे छोटा नंबर 5/20, देन 8/20. वेरी नाइस. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? 14/20 एंड द लास्ट वुड बी 30/20. बट एज आई टोल्ड यू दिस इज़ नॉट द कंप्लीट आंसर. सो अब चेक करो 5/20 किसको सॉल्व करके आया था? 1/4. 8/20 किसको सॉल्व करके आया? 2/5. नेक्स्ट इज 7/10 एंड द लास्ट इज 3/2. सो दिस इज़ योर complete answer. This was for ascending order. Now we will be doing some questions for descending order also. The difference is just that descending order means higher to smaller. The method for solving will remain the same. First is 9/12, 5/12, 11/12 and 3/12. This is a very easy question, right? Why? Because they are like fractions. So descending order is सबसे बड़ा fraction देखो अब यहाँ पे कौन सा हो गया? 11/12. उसके बाद 9/12, then 5 upon 12, and then you get 3 upon 12. So this is your answer, because like fractions are really easy to solve. Next is 3 upon 14, 7 upon 5, 9 upon 7, 11 upon 10. Again you can check they are unlike fractions. So I will first of all find the LCM of the denominators. On finding the LCM of the denominators, I get it 2 into 5 into 7, which comes out to be 70. So we have completed with the first step. What was the next step? Conversion from unlike to like. First 3 upon 14. 3 upon 14. अब 14 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करें? वेरी गुड, 14 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 3 into 5 will give me 15 and 14 into 5 will give me 70. So my 3 upon 14 is converted to 15 upon 70. Next is 7 upon 5. 5 को कितने से करें? 14. 5 into 14 is 70 and 7 into 14 is 98. So my fraction gets converted to 98 upon 70. Next is 9 upon 7. 7 is very easy to convert into 70. We multiply it by 10. So I will even multiply 9 by 10. So my fraction comes out to be 90 upon 70. Last is 11 upon 10. 10 will be multiplied by 7 and 11 will also be multiplied by 7. So my fraction comes out to be 77 upon 70. Now as I have to arrange in descending order, so सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर आएगा. कौन सा? 98 upon 70. उसके बाद कौन सा नंबर है? 90 upon 70. Then is 77 upon 70 and the last is 15 upon 70. And the complete answer. अब 98 upon 70 किसको सॉल्व करके आया था? 7 upon 5. 90 upon 70 किसको सॉल्व करके आया? 9 upon 7. 77 upon 70, 11 upon 10 and the last is 3 by 14. So the complete answer is this in descending order. Thank you so much. This was all for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment section. I will try my best to solve all your queries. Thank you.